Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Today we are celebrating the appearance in this world of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He is Krishna come in the form of a devotee of Krishna, just to teach us how we can do Krishna Bhakti. Just like a teacher in the school writes on the blackboard, A, B, C, D, or K, 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 whatever. The teacher does not need to write on the board. The teacher is already fully educated. But just to teach the children, he writes A, B, C, D. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna teaching us how to do bhakti to Krishna. So what is the meaning of bhakti? What is the essence of bhakti? The essence of bhakti is pure love. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches us what we all really need, what we have all forgotten. What's the main problem in the world? Not enough money? Is that the problem? Not enough food? Not enough water? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches that all the problems come from one problem, which is not enough love. So because we have not developed bhakti, love for Krishna, therefore in this world we are all envious of each other. So what is there in everyone's heart? There is kam, krodh, lobh, all these bad things. But apart from that, there's also pure love for Krishna is in everyone's heart. And if we awaken that pure love for Krishna, then automatically all the bad things will go away. Just now there's some agitation going on between India and Sri Lanka. All these problems can be solved if we understand that every living being is part and parcel of Krishna. We're all eternally related as children of Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave a very easy process for reviving our love of Krishna. Very, very simple process. Chanting the names of Krishna, especially the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It's very easy, everyone can chant it. You don't have to be a great Vedic scholar to chant the Maha Mantra. But by chanting this mantra regularly, then our natural love for Krishna, which is within everyone's heart, that will be revived. And we can practically see that. So many people all over the world are chanting Hare Krishna and their life is being purified. Just like in the culture in which I was raised, it's a normal thing. Everyone from childhood, they eat lots of meat. Mamsam. We don't think whether it's right or wrong, it's just normal. But after Srila Prabhupada introduced us to the chanting of Hare Krishna, we could understand that this is not good. And all bad habits given up. So we invite you all to partake in the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now there will be Abhishekam of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then there will be distribution of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy in the form of prasadam. But every day you can take Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy by chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. So please do that. You will be happy. Your heart will be full of love. Pure love for Krishna. Ramanandri, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.